everybody wants what they don't have. Tan people want to be white, white people want to be tan. But here's what they use out here so they don't get so dark. It is tomato soap that is got whitening agents in it to help whiten up your skin. There's also some shampoo here, which is hair fall shampoo. So some interesting little quirky stuff here. And then there's also this, which I love. And this is an electric hot water heater. It's pretty amazing. It's like hot water on demand. As much as you want, it just stays hot. It's great. So here's what the inside of a treehouse bathroom looks like. You got all this open design up there and around, and then shower, and sink, and toilet. Pretty simple. It's a treehouse. Rice, sticky rice?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. Fruits, eggs. Oh, yes. Watermelon. Toast. So, not sticky rice, it's actually chicken and rice, which is great. Good protein for breakfast. And then I thought the eggs were hard boiled, but they're like poached. You can put them right on toast and smash it in.
On toast?
It turns out what Miriam thought was condensed milk is actually sweet syrup for toast.
It's condensed milk.
Alright, let's just give it a shot. Delicious. A little fresh herb accenting. Tastes like chicken and rice with a little bit of cilantro kick, chive kick to it.
I have to tell the person tomorrow for the bike room.
Active Go coffee. I don't know, it's energy coffee. It's got a little thing of grain on the bottom. I'm not sure what is going on. It's a 3-in-1 something, but let's see what's up. Gotta feel this is gonna be like a Mucilix type thing. It's weird.
It's like you're drinking hot cocoa.
It's like chocolate milk. It's like warm chocolate milk. It's not exactly hot cocoa, but try it. See what you think.
But we're used to making it with hot water. This is hot cocoa made with milk.
No, I made it with water.
But it tastes like it was made with milk.
Oh.
That's what it tastes like to me.
Yeah. So we're going to put the rocks back? Yeah. That's what we're doing right now? He said we're going. Go. Oh. Run. Go. No, come back. Let's go. Come back. I don't know. I don't think she could have made it. Maybe. Where does the water? Where does... It's heavy. You need help? He climbed up the hill. Wow, he's a show-off. He's showing off. Massive trees. chopping up some bamboo. I'm gonna let it dry here. All right, slippery. Okay, so the big leaves are for red tea. Red tea after you drink coffee, so coffee then tea. And then the little ones, if you take 2 or 3 of these little ones, you make green tea. So big one's red tea, little one's green tea. And this is very slippery. Wow. All these are tea plants all the way up the mountainside. Only the top.
2 or 3 leaves on the top.
Yeah. Ah. Oh, 3 ใบ okay. Yeah.
3 top, 3 top. 3 top is better.
3 top. Nice. All right, so it turns out he was cutting the bamboo down, so we're gonna make teacups out of the bamboo. Yeah. Jungle trek. Oreo! Jungle dog. Oreo! Is he gonna go up? Let's see. Oh, he can definitely climb up everything.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Little fire?
Yeah.
Fire and tea.
Oh. Wow. So this is what it starts out like, and then we're gonna have tea.
Yes, yes.
Does it smell good?
Then when they
Doesn't really smell like much.
make it warm,
Oh, no. So on the tea farms, the tea trees stay small because they chop them every few years so they get new fresh leaves. But here, they grow really big. So these tea trees are 30 to 50 years old.
almost
Like this one.
No, see only tea. Red tea. It's
White tea, only one, baby. Green tea, and then red. All different tastes?
different.
Different tastes.
The white tea is a little what do you call nicotine or
Nicotine, caffeine.
Caffeine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Energy. Energy.
That's why we
You
call
like that
the
one. You're the white one.
silver needle
No, the red
because
one.
it's like a needle.
Energy. You want the
So
energy
it's
one.
silver needle.
Yeah, but the big one
Chinese
might
call it
have more
silver needle.
energy.
No, little is energy.
needle.
He said.
Okay, like
He said the most
Like
energy is the
bill,
little one.
It's like a needle.
yeah, like a needle.
Yeah.
Yeah. Especially on rainy is go very fast and born. เอามาเกี่ยวมาด้วยเอามาเกี่ยวมาหมดที่ตะวันแล้วก็ถูกเกี่ยวมาตะวันแล้ว
Yeah. So that's
like
from
oil,
palm
you see.
tree, and it's got palm tree oil, so it's basically like fuel.
อ้อยฮะ
Very cool. I make the tea. Here we go.
About 1 or 2 minutes and get to another.
cooking the tea leaves.
Up and up to down, down to up,
Down the
down, up, down.
turn it over. No, turn the leaves over.
Just walk.
Here, watch. Oh, like underneath and over
ใส่ยังไม่ได้เอามาค่ะ
and over.
จะนวดเอามาเอาจะนวดYeah, we like a massage tea,
Massage the tea.
make a more smell.
Okay.
But outside is very hot.
So this is like
make
Chinese
in the
peanut?
pan and do like this in the pan.
Chestnut.
Chestnut, yes, yes.
Oh,
yes,
chestnut. It's like a chestnut.
That is a Thai chestnut.
Thai chestnut.
Smaller. Smaller.
Okay.
This is Indonesia.
That's it.
Very cool. Make a glass.
Oh, for drinking.
For drinking.
So he just made this. You can see that bamboo is not hollow. You can't see through it, which is why it makes a great cup. So that's gonna be our teacup for the day.
Yeah.
เก็บก็ใส่หมดไหมใส่หมดโอเค all
Oh, okay. Oh, this one. It's okay. All right, now we're cooking up the tea. So with the water boiling, you gotta go for 5 minutes.
ต้มนานเท่าไหร่ไม่นานดูรอดู3 minutes
2-3 minutes? Okay. Green tea. I wash it out first.
ร้อน
Thank you.
boiling tea
Good?
I didn't taste it as boiled.
Thank you.
It smells.
It's a combination of tea and bamboo. I like
Yeah, it has an aroma to it.
เพราะว่ามันจะสะอาดอยู่แล้วล่ะ
it. Try it. Delicious. It's actually very, very flavorful green tea. Definitely has a more intense flavor. Yeah.
Wow.
bamboo
I'm fine. I'm using you.
Concentrate. Good job, dude.
It's falling. Oh my god!
She's okay.
I can go down backwards
Uh-oh. Careful where you put your stick.
not too long yes okay
Same, but different.
Pomelo? Like an orange. Same, but different. Like a grapefruit almost.
Yeah.
Yeah. That long thing hanging is dragon tongue. You eat it with chili paste. This is like Zerg infestation. Tree's dead. Good job. Careful, careful. You stick his brake. Okay.
Oh fuck!
Okay, come on, bro. See, that stick helped? What is it?
Coffee.
Coffee. Where? I don't see the coffee berries.
Leaf is too young.
Too young? Okay.
More 2 years.
Okay.
But I told you the leaf is different.
Ah, the serrated. Serrated?
Not sharp.
Not sharp. Big waves.
Only wave.
Yeah.
This is tea.
Tea. Yep, like a knife.
Yeah.
And then waves.
Wave. And shiny.
Shiny, okay. Careful, careful. It gets slippery right at the bottom. Good job, babe. Nice, well done.
Come on, Oreo. Oreo.
Oreo.
Oreo. Stop.
Come on. Miriam, come on. He'll come. Good boy. Oh, there's the treehouse. That's where we're staying. So that's where we're staying over there. Okay, this is actually where we're staying. Same, but different. See the red towel up there? It's where we're staying, up there. Is that new treehouse?
No.
New.
อันนี้สร้างใหม่ล่ะครับแต่งบ้านครับยังไม่เสร็จหรอก Oh, not finished yet.
New, yeah, building new. I was wondering how
เขา
to.
ใหญ่มากเลยนะกลัวมัน
Oh, look how pretty these are.
โตข้างล่างสุดจะเยอะ
They do that glamping up here. Chiang Waterfall. Waterfall number 1. We're at the top and we're going to carefully go down to the bottom. So, I guess we walk down the waterfall. Okay, it's not so slippery. And then there's a rope over here. Grab onto the rope. Oh, it's actually, oh, that's so cool. It's actually not slippery at all. It's super grippy. This is like bricks. It's very grippy. It's unbelievable. I thought it'd be so slippery, but the rock actually has grip to it. I don't know why it has such a good grip, but it does. So we're gonna go down this. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna come back up. So, not slippery. Woo. Climb back up this. One hand. What do you think, babe? Tell us about the rock.
It's actually not slippery. It's good.
Yeah, show them how we get up it. Going up. It's crazy how not slippery it is. Keep going. Great job. Let's go up to this big one. You think you can do that big one?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. You do? Have you seen it? That one.
Yeah.
Okay. You got it, babe. Go. You got it. You can almost stand on this. Crazy. You got it. Making it look easy, babe. Going up. I feel like Spider-Man, honestly. It's crazy. Like I'm going up that with like basically no hands. Like spider feet. Wild. Spider-Man, like Spider-Man, it's crazy, unbelievable. This is so cool.
Yeah.
All right, go for it. We just climbed up that. Wild. That was awesome, babe. Slippery route. I'm gonna do the slippery one. I'm gonna go carefully. Ah, it's slipperier because it looks like there's green. But this stuff's slippery. Nice. All right, show us how it's done. Oh, that's so cool. All right, let's show them how it's done. Going up. Go up. That way? We can go this way. All right, I'm coming up. The aerial view. Almost at the top. This stuff's slippery, so be careful. You got it, baby. Slippery. Here, go over here then. Go over this one. You got it. I'll go with you. Okay. Cool, that's really slippery. Alright. Oh, man, what's up, dude? Wow! Yo, that's crazy!
I love you this morning because I thought you guys were in Thailand.
Yeah, I know. I thought we were hanging out tonight, but this is crazy. Yo! Fucking crazy. We were in Peru with this guy a few months ago, and then bam, here he is.
What's up?
Roger that. Yeah, for 3 people or 1 person? 2 people? What do you want? My treat.
No, I eat
You
already.
ate? Okay, let's get one then.
Yeah, can take one and
Which one do you want, ma'am? This one? Yeah, okay. All right, let's try it. And then what is these? Chicken, what is this? Pork sausage?
Chiang Mai sausage.
Chiang Mai sausage? And then what's this?
From pork.
Yeah? Yeah.
อันนี้จะ
1, 2, 3. That's what we want to do. One of those, one of those, one of those. Okay. Okay? Yep. Oh. Mm-hmm. Good job. Very good.
นี่เราโคอยู่นะพี่มันมาแดงนะมันเข้าแบบ
Let's try it.
อ่ะก็พี่เอามาดยัด
So refreshing, delicious.
โบะใส่จานนี่ครับ
Barbecue chicken, spicy Korean ramen chips, sticky rice.
Grab some sticky rice. Half. Looks good. Tamarind sauce. Sausage, what you think?
Whoa.
Spicy?
No, it tastes like cow soy.
Oh wow, that's
Yeah.
awesome. Got the sticky rice. Grab the sticky rice. Grab the chicken. Throw it in there.
This sausage tastes like cow soy. Try it by itself first.
Oh wow.
It tastes like cow soy.
Lemongrass, basil. Pork.
Same spices.
Yeah. And what's this one?
I forgot what this is.
Doesn't look that cooked though. Steamed pork and rice. Right?
Like salty pork. Very salty.
Hope you don't give me pork ones. Got any more?
Wow, it's too salty.
A little salty. I like it salty.
Oh, it's salty pork. So the inside of the coconut is like jelly, and it tastes so good and fresh. I'm just eating. We're eating part of this cup.
กินส้มหนึ่งแค่นั้น
Big ant.
We had an entire chicken, an entire order of sticky rice, a pork sausage, a pork and rice little thing that they have here, a bag of chips, a coconut for $7.90. Total for both
Less
of
than
us.
$4 a person.
Yep.
Vitamin A from Switzerland. Switzerland's got the best vitamin A. That other stuff, that Mexican vitamin A, no good. Switzerland vitamin A. Shoes off. Super nice room. Cute bathroom. So this is what it looks like in Sunita Hostel. We have the private with our in-suite bathroom, king-size bed, TV, and then beautiful little outdoor patio. So nice. I'm gonna sit out here and have a beer later. This is fantastic. Wow. And this place is only like 30 bucks a night, so it's super cheap, $15 a person, can't beat it. We're on a quiet side street just off the main, I guess they call it the gate area. We're just off of one of the main gates. I think we're East Gate. Chill little block. I love it.